Good morning. The crypto market's Fear and Greed Index has had a slight decrease of 1 point in the last 30 days, but it remains in a state of greed. Meanwhile, DeFi has a 0.1% loss of dominance, down to 4.12%. And Bitcoin also drops to 52.21%, losing 0.6 points of dominance in favor of altcoins since the last review. Today, on Your Crypto in 5 Minutes, we review Bitcoin. Let's get started. Main Bitcoin news from the past 30 days, reported by Dailycoin. Bitcoin ETF inches from finish line. SEC accepts 19 B4 forms. Experts are already raising their glasses to what they consider a triumphant victory, confidently declaring it done, as the SEC finally shows the light at the end of the tunnel for the eagerly awaited Bitcoin ETF by accepting filings by exchanges. Reported by TrustNodes, BlackRock has $2 billion lined up. Matthew Siegel, head of VanEck, said that BlackRock has $2 billion lined up for the Bitcoin spot ETF in the first week. He was estimating there would be $2.5 billion for the first quarter, but just BlackRock might be buying $2 billion according to this unnamed source. Reported by Dailycoin, Better Markets warns US SEC to reject Bitcoin ETF. Better Markets, a group for strict financial rules, told the SEC to reject Bitcoin spot ETFs. They think the decision is coming next week. Dennis M. Kaheller from Better Markets said, approving Bitcoin ETFs could harm investors a lot. He thinks Bitcoin is too risky and not useful for society. Market cap. Obviously, Bitcoin remains in 1th place in the market cap ranking. On the other hand, its market cap decreases by 1.4% from 30 days ago to $861,611 million. Regarding dominance, as we have already commented at the beginning, it decreases 0.6 points in this period. Price. The price of Bitcoin is currently $43,999. This represents an increase of 0.02% in the last 30 days. Meanwhile, the chart shows a decrease of 0.46% in the 30-day period. On the other hand, the extended 40-week chart shows an increase of 57.32% from $27,968. Let's also review the volume. The average daily transaction volume over the past 30 days is now $22,226 million. This represents an increase of 11.04% from the value we obtained for this data 30 days ago. Price comparison with Ethereum. At this time, we see that 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to 19.65 Ethereum, and the incremental marker, which indicates an increase of 4.28% compared to the review 30 days ago. The chart shows that Bitcoin has increased by 4.86% against Ethereum in the last 30 days. Meanwhile, in the last 40 weeks, Bitcoin has gained 30.05% in value against Ethereum. Community and social media metrics. Let's see how the social media popularity indicators for Bitcoin have evolved in these 30 days. The number of followers on X.com, former Twitter, increases by 1.41%, reaching 6,258,967 followers. The number of subscribers on Reddit increases by 0.4%, reaching 5,962,541 subscribers. The number of followers on Crypto Compare increases by 0.13%, reaching 109,526 followers. The number of users in CoinGecko portfolios increases by 2.04%, reaching 1,421,841 users. Finally, as we also see in the graph, in the Tranco ranking that measures traffic, interest, and global popularity on the internet of the Bitcoin.org domain, in these 30 days, it loses 130 positions and falls to the position 6,337. Supply and liquidity. the existing total supply of Bitcoin has increased by 0.14% to 19.59 million units. The circulating supply of Bitcoin has increased by 0.14% in the past 30 days, leaving the circulating supply at 19.59 million units. As a result, the ratio of the fully diluted value to the market cap increases by 0.14 points to 93.3%. And the sentiment of the CoinGecko community towards Bitcoin has increased slightly in the past 30 days, but it continues to be very bullish. Wrapping up, let's go with the algorithmic predictions of the future price. For the next 30 days, the projection indicates a downward movement of 0.46% to $43,796. And finally, the medium-term projection for the next 30 weeks. It calculates an increase in the price of 66.38%. This would put Bitcoin at $73,208 in July 2024. Remember that these projections are based on past data and mathematical algorithms, and that they are not financial advice, because as we always say, no one knows the future. Not even Mark Zuckerberg. To follow the metrics and advances of the main cryptocurrencies, subscribe, comment, and like, because Mark Zuckerberg would do it too. Good day and good business.